which now brings us to importing our narration. Command tab to Finder. It's called narrated. Wonderful. Click it and drag it down here. Once you got it in there, bring it to the front. We can zoom in a little bit here so we can see a little bit better what we're doing some fine-tuning work. 2 fingers on the trackpad scrolls it. We're lucky in that at the beginning and end of something, we can just scrub it out to get rid of stuff. Now, let's give it a listen.
Hello, my name is Sean. I come from Canada.
Good. Now these hills down here you may have gathered, that's the voice. Those are the waveforms. So I'm going to go here where this white line is because the narration is highlighted yellow. Command B will cut it. I can scrub that out a bit if I feel like it. Now, I want to have the narration starting after the image. So the image starts here, narration starts here, where the waveforms are great, but it ends before I finish talking before the picture. So now, if we do it like this, we get a good pace.
Hello, my name is Sean. I come from Canada.
Great. Now, I can scrub this out a little bit. I don't want to wait too long. Bring it over. So now I can see that the narration starts after the image again.
Land of the mighty meese. Land of the mighty moose.
Now, I said meese. That's a mistake. Make sure when you're recording, you never stop and try to get it perfect. You make a mistake, you just say it again, and then you cut it out like this. Watch. Command B. I'm betting you right there is where I say the right one.
Land of the...
Okay, great. I can just scrub that to that point right there. Scrub it over. Make sure I got it right.
Land of the mighty moose.
All right, that's the good one. Bad one's gone. No one ever knows. This can be bigger, but there's too much downtime there. We gotta keep our pace in mind. Don't want to bore your audience. You want to give them time to see the image, process it, and get the narration, but not too much.
Land of the mighty moose.
Excellent. Okay, next words. Scrub it over. See how that works. Make it start a little bit after the image.
We all love ice hockey in Canada. The Winnipeg Jets is the best team.
Highlight it. Command B. Stretch this out to match. If I'm super finicky, I can cut this and make this a little shorter. If I think there's too much downtime between my speaking there, too much space. And this is up to you. It doesn't have to be this perfect. I'm just a bit of an OCD case. Okay.
We all love ice hockey in Canada. The Winnipeg Jets is the best team in the entire NHL franchise.
Let's see how that goes.
And we love to eat poutine.
Now this next part here is going to say thanks for watching. So that doesn't go here. I put it at the end. I've added this attribution slide to get the kids started with it. If you don't want to have that as Ken Burns, once it's highlighted, you can go to this cropping over here and just say crop to fill. So now I might even make it a little bit shorter. 1 second. Make this shorter as well.
Thank you for watching.
Now you may recall I've put this picture in here twice because we just wanted to have a nice ending picture, and you can't have this text on top of this. Nobody can read it. It defeats the purpose entirely. All right, that's the end of that lesson. Wow, you're actually pretty good at this.